Smash that subscribe button, sneakheads. I know you're watching the video.
Too easy.
Hey, what's up, sneakheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, today's video, what we got? That what? That weekly heat,
Weekly,
baby.
the weekly heat.
That weekly
The
heat.
weekly
Yes,
heat.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So we got on January 24th. This is the kids' exclusive shoe. They calling these the Year of the Dragon, aka Chinese New Year. This does come at a price point of $160. I do think this is a high for grade school. You know, Jordan Brand keeps
Hmm.
jacking up the prices. I'm not sure if this is a collaboration, but I know it does come with some extra features, like they are giving you a little Michael Jordan keychain that comes along with that. I'm not saying that justifies the price, but it's supposed to be a special Year of the Dragon shoe. And this predominantly shoe does feature a white colorway. It does have white midsole. It does feature a gold foil look to it around the toe box and on the heel. It does have that Nike swoosh. And now that green is supposed to be like in some scales to simulate the Year of the Dragon on that back. We do have a touch of that red that makes the shoe pop. I don't like this colorway. I'm not gonna lie. So as for me, I'm dropping these. What do you think about these, my brother?
Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But my brother, I mean, twos tend last year they tend to start to grow on me a little bit. But brother, I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm dropping those. I'm dropping those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. But my brother, I'm dropping those.
So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, on January the 24th, we do have those Air Jordan 1s, Chinese New Year. These shoes here, what it represents growth, success, prosperity, happiness, and abundance, right? Like my brother mentioned earlier with the first shoe, it's that, hey, the Year of the Dragon, right? That's that Chinese zodiac. This shoe right here, it's a clean shoe. The price, hey, for me is pretty reasonable, 160. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you feel that this price is reasonable. It's a clean shoe. I like it. It's a clean shoe. I like what they did to the tongue itself. It, just having that color. This is a clean shoe overall. Drop us a comment down below if you feel like this shoe is a clean shoe. So, brother, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. What you think? You rocking those? Drop it.
As for me, I'm dropping those too. Uh, it's just that green is little like you said, it's all about the outfits. I don't really see myself being able to rock those with an outfit that I could wear. Therefore, I'm dropping those. But let us know, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? I do think it's a nice concept. I do like the scales on the, representing the dragon, being
Yeah.
that this is the Chinese New Year, Year of the Dragon. So I understand what they're trying to do, but I'm still dropping these.
Hmm.
So moving on the 24th of January, we do have another shoe. This one is for women's only. This is Jordan 14 low. It's called the Love Letter. This just comes at a price point of $180. I don't think these Jordan 14 lows do well. I understand that what they're trying to do. This does feature like iridescent hit. It does kind of like look like a chameleon to me. Like it looks like the shoe can change into like purplish into a looks like an aqua blue. I'm not really feeling these, but again, I'm not a lady. It does look like a female shoe in my opinion. Let me know in the comments, sneak heads, are you rocking these or dropping these? But as for me, I'm dropping these. How about you, my brother?
Hey, my brother, I'm dropping them as well. I'm dropping them as well. Drop us a comment down below. You rocking those or dropping those. But on this side, my brother, I'm dropping those.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe, what we got, my brother?
So on January the 27th, we have those Air Jordan 6 Yellow Orchids. These are family sizes. They will release, Jordan Brand did release family sizes. Men price, asking price for those are $200. Grade school, those baby kids, you remember those baby kids, asking price for those were 160. And then for the little kids or the little babies, Asking price for those were 100. What really stand out to me is I'm really loving the sole, the ice blue component underneath, right? The sole of that shoe, I'm really liking that. Overall, this is a clean shoe to me. I bought my first sixes last year. Hey, check out that video
Yes,
right
sir.
there, right? But this is a clean shoe. I like how they played the yellow in it, you know, and it's a clean shoe. And I'll be rocking those. I'll be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I'm rocking these as well. As you know, this comes with the original color blocking as the Carmines. And as you know, I did pick up these Jordan 6s right here with the same color blocking. These UNC's blues, as you can see, does feature that same color blocking. Instead of where the blues at, it's going to be yellow. So I do think the Jordan brand knows that this color blocking does well. And I can see this shoe doing well. But however, the Jordan 6s, they don't do well. So I would recommend to go ahead and wait to get these for under retail, because most of the Jordan 6s have been going for under retail. And with this economy the way it is, I do see these going for under retail. So I will save my money and get them for sale. But I am rocking these. This does kind of feature that black and yellow, my brother. These be rock as Steelers color or what?
No, because it's not playing. Black and yellow, I get what they're doing. If they were able to incorporate more black in it, maybe they can get away with that black and yellow if it had black shoelaces, maybe.
Okay, so maybe that's how you can pull it off by changing the laces.
Yeah, changing the laces. I can see those. I can see that shoe really popping with some yellow laces. I can see it popping. I don't know if you guys are young enough out there, but drop me a comment down below. Do you remember when back in the day they used to rock two laces in one pair of shoe? You ever remember that?
Yes, sir.
So hey, that may right there bring that shoe out some, Jordan brand, where you have two sets of laces in there, black and yellow, right? I can see that shoe really, bringing that color out. But overall, I can't see that shoe being black and yellow because of how much white is in that shoe,
Yes, sir.
right? Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.